Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to our channel MCQs platform. As you know, we have started this series of 101 Golden Rules of English Grammar. Students who are going to appear in PMS, PCS, CSS and other competitive exams must watch this video because this series may secure their 10 cash marks for grammatical errors. Today we have brought rule number 7 for you. If you haven't watched previous rules, then click I symbol in the right corner of this video. Before going to start, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notification about all the 101 golden rules of English grammar. Let us move to learn rule number 7 for today. In English grammar, many a is always followed by the singular verb. You must remember whenever you watch this use many a, then you must follow singular verb and singular noun. Similarly, there is a formula many plus a or n plus singular noun plus singular verb. This is what the actual formula for the usage of many a. You can omit various mistakes in competitive exams under the head of common errors. So if you would like to learn this rule, rectify this mistake, then you must watch this till the end. It is fixed expression. So whenever this is used, you must follow this similar formula, that is many a, single noun, single verb. It is used in the literary writing and newspaper, where it is used in writing, literary writing and newspaper. Similarly, it takes singular noun which can be followed by the singular verb. As I have already told you in this formula, many plus an, singular noun and singular verb. Now let us move to learn some examples so that you may memorize how it can be saved in our memory. I asked this question many a time before. Now you must watch in the sentence carefully. I asked this question many a time before. What the examiner put here is and asked that what is the error in the sentence. So if you remember the formula of this use or fixed expression, only then you can recognize the main error in this sentence. So we will never do this mistake again if you watch this video or if you watch this rule, learn this rule or remember this rule. Similarly, there is another example. Many a little boy has wanted to become a pilot or fireman. Now look at this. Boy has, many a little boy have. Here would be the another error which examiner can put and ask from the student or candidate of competitive exam. Similarly, many a persons, here they put persons or have been helped by the therapy. Many an hour was spent with friends. Many an hour was spent with friends. Okay? Similarly, many a man has lost his life at the accident. So this is what the rule number 7 for today, for day 7. Now here is an example or here is an MCQs for you. Many a politician dash promised to make changes. Now you have to give the answer in comment section. I will wait for it. I hope you have enjoyed this rule for today, rule number 7 for day 7. Inshallah, we will meet in the next rule number 8. Please take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will meet in the next rule. Please subscribe our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.